You're doing the
Hi everyone. Today we're going to be going over a dot card. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you a dot card and you are going to see how many dots are on the card and then you'll explain how you got that many dots. So here is our dots. And then whenever you're ready, you can show me a thumbs up. Okay, great. All right, let's start with Flor. Flor, how many dots did you see on our dot card?
I counted 27.
27. How did you come up with 27?
Well, I see three triangles,
Mm-hmm.
but inside of each triangle, I saw three smaller triangles.
Okay.
So I counted um 9 dots in each of the three triangles. So 9 times 3 is 27.
Okay. So you first grouped it into smaller groups, right?
Yes, small triangles.
So you grouped them into three smaller triangles,
Mhm.
and then you grouped those into
One big triangle.
one big triangle.
Yes.
And then you said how many did you count in each one?
Um, I counted 9 times 3 is 27.
Okay. All right. So you started off with three small triangles and you made them into one big one to where they had nine each in each group. And that's how you got 27. Did I say that correctly?
Yes, you did.
Okay. Desiree, do you agree with how Flor did it, or did you count them a different way?
I counted a different way, but sort of similar to her. So I counted the three big triangles and I saw that each one had nine. So then I did 9 times 3.
Okay, so just went immediately to the big triangles.
Yeah.
So in each triangle, you saw nine, and you saw three groups. So you multiplied 9 times 3 and came up with the same answer as Flor, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Victoria, do you agree with how Desiree found her answer?
Yes, that's exactly how I did mine too.
Okay. Is there a different way that you can think of that we could have also gotten the same amount?
Um, I guess we could use just the smaller triangles
Just
and
the
then do
smaller
those
triangle?
groups. So it would be the same 3 times 9, I believe.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and try that. So with the smaller triangles of three dots in each. And then we count how many groups of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then that still gets us
9 times 3.
9 times 3, which
Or
gives
we
us,
can, if we counted all the small triangles, we could do 3 plus 3 plus 3
that's
plus.
another good idea, Float. I like how you said that. So instead of multiplying, we could do 3 plus 3 plus 3,
Added it 9 times.
9 times. And that also gets us to our 27. All right. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. All right, so yeah, we all came up with the same answer. Okay.